Hello! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device. First we need to press the side button to wake up the screen on our watch. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until you see this menu on the screen. Once this menu appears on the screen, tap on the reboot option, then tap on the check mark to confirm. My bad, I was too slow, so let's repeat it. Press and hold, tap on reboot, tap on the check mark, and wait until the device is done rebooting. And that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.